make my version of an egg-free chocolate lava cake. Let me show you what you're going to need. So the first ingredient you're going to need for this chocolate lava cake is some cake batter. I've got some eggless chocolate cake batter that I've made up using the my Urmi's cake mix. So just make that up and keep it aside. And then you also need to make some chocolate ganache. I've just got some here in a bowl. You can follow the recipe that is on my YouTube channel and let it just harden so that it's at a consistency where you can actually make it into a ball. Once it's in the shape of a ball, then it's easier for us to handle and put into the cake batter. Let me show you what to do next. So with the ganache, you want it at a nice firm consistency where you can actually use 2 spoons to create a ball out of ganache. And if you're living in a much warmer country, please put these little balls of ganache into the fridge so that they can harden, and it'll be a bit easier for you to handle when you need to put it into your cake batter. So just place it on a plate like that and put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then you can use it after that. So you can get like little small tins about 3 inches wide, and just spray some baking spray in it, or you can spread some butter and coat it with some flour, just so that your cake batter doesn't stick to your tin. Then take some of the cake batter and put it into your tins. So I filled it to about halfway or 2/3 way up the tin, and now I'm just going to place the balls of ganache into the center and just press it in a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want the ganache hitting the bottom of the cake tin, and then there won't be that surprise chocolate inside for your lava cake. So don't push it too deep. Once you've done that, just cover the rest of the ganache with a little bit of batter, and then put it in the oven. So I've put my oven at 160 degrees. So you can do the same. It just depends on how hot your oven is. Put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks when it comes out. So it's been about 15 to 17 minutes, and I'm just putting my tester on the outer part of the cake just to check, because the center has the ganache, so that will be soft. As long as the outer parts of the cake are cooked, then your cake should be ready to be taken out of the oven. So I've just taken this cake out of the oven, and I'm going to use the butter knife to just loosen around the edges of the tin, just to make sure that the cake is not sticking to the edge of the tin. You can even just do that to loosen it, and then just turn your plate over and remove the tin. Then you can dust it with some icing sugar. And let's cut it and see how it looks. Yeah, nice and gooey in the inside. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Happy cooking!